Sir, on behalf of BRS Party and on behalf of my leader KCR Garu, my colleagues and myself, we congratulate and welcome you, sir. With your vast experience as a Member of Parliament and Governor of States, including my own state of Telangana, you bring with you a deep understanding of not only governance but also the aspirations of the people. Today, we stand at a juncture where our democracy is in dire need of strengthened dialogue and renewed public confidence within the Parliament, sir. As this House begins a new chapter, we look forward with the hope and expectation that under your guidance, the Rajya Sabha will enter a new era of decorum and productive deliberations. We have noticed your soft in approach but tough in action. Sir, through your career, you have articulated your clear commitment to upholding democratic values, reinforcing the importance of cooperation within federalism through statements like both the ruling party and the opposition are two sides of the same coin, and also strong democracy relies on center-state harmony. These statements, Honourable Chairman, resonate profoundly with the constitutional spirit of the House and with the federal aspirations that parties like ours champion. For us in the BRS, your election also holds a special significance for the South Indian region at a time when concerns about federal imbalance, centralization have been voiced by multiple states. Your elevation is a reassuring reminder that leadership at the highest levels of the Republic continues to remain inclusive, diverse, and reflective of all regions in India. We hope that this spirit of federal sensitivity will continue the functioning of this House. Chairman, sir, we have heard the description of both the houses from leaders across the globe. Bicameral parliaments, where they have a upper house and lower house, many leaders have quoted and stated that it's like a cup and saucer. The lower house is like a cup and the upper house is like a saucer. There's a lot of heat generated in the lower house. When it comes to the upper house, a more reasonable debate continues to happen here. That is how they say the cup and saucer theory. And I hope under your leadership that this cup and saucer will come back to this House, sir. And my friend Sasmitji spoke about, we understand the predicament which falls on you when the right side or the left side puts you in an uncomfortable situation. But then, sir, you have also to look at the center. There is enough support for you when you look at the center. Whether it is the middle side or the center side, we are always there for you, sir. And we hope that definitely, as members have expressed concern that the shrinking of the time, let the House not be influenced by T20 matches where everything is truncated, but let the House continue to function like a 5-day cricket match where ample time is given. So this way, the tempers and the issues concerning different states could be deliberated, sir. Having said this, we hope that your tenure ushers in a chapter marked by balance, dignity, and strengthened democratic practice, where consensus building, like I quoted, sir, will be encouraged over confrontation, and the voice of every state, big or small, will be heard with respect and fairness. Honourable Chairman, sir, the BRS extends its sincere greetings and its full cooperation from our members and from our leader, KCRG. Thank you, and we wish you the very best, sir.
Dr. John